Think about how quickly your network is growing. Then your friend has a different friend who has. Having a professional network and referral marketing is a great way to grow your business. So you have yourself, right? Think about all the people that you know in your network. You have your family members. You have friends. You probably have past classmates or professors that you may talk to. Current and former colleagues. Maybe you meet people at different events. You're in the community, right? Think about how quickly your network is growing. Then your friend has a different friend who has needs, right? Your network keeps growing and keeps expanding. All the connections always working together. So how do you build this network, right? Maybe you're a part of organizations and clubs. You utilize LinkedIn and how it's relevant for your business. You attend networking events, expos, conferences. You volunteer in the community. And most importantly, you keep in touch with each of these different connections that you have and their connections, and it just grows and grows. So why is this important, right? Of course it's going to help with brand awareness. The more that you talk to somebody and they talk to somebody else, your name's out there. It brings about maybe new business partners. For us as a marketing company, we have partners with printing companies, promotional products, right? And then it brings, of course, opportunities for your business. But the most important aspect is that you have all of these connections. Think about how many people you can help out. So-and-so needs your friend, your family, they need help from somebody, and you have a connection over here. You're providing value to all of your connections with everybody that you know. Now, it's not about just handing out business cards. If your goal is to hand out business cards, you might as well break your network. It's about building long-lasting relationships to keep your network thriving.